What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. We've got one of the more interesting Jordan apparel collabs on hand today, and that's the Off-White Jordan collection. It's a pretty small collection with just one hoodie, tee and track pant. When I saw the teasers and promo photos, I wasn't that excited for it, but actually having them on hand now, I'm pretty impressed with it. The color tones are super clean and the sail hues are made to perfectly match the Off-White 4s and 5s. But yeah, let's jump right into it, guys. Starting things off with the main item in this collab, the Off-White Jordan hoodie. Initially, this was definitely my standout piece from the three. The graphic on the back reinterprets the classic Off-White cross logo, with the Air Jordan Wings logo in the middle, while replacing the words with Off-White instead. A little reminiscent of the Air Dior logo. The front has some simple panel color blocking to highlight the sail accents on the hoodie, and of course the Jordan Jumpman logo in the middle, with Off-White written in cursive on the bottom. Drawstring detailing with the classic Off-White shoelace branding as well. This is a heavyweight piece made from thicker and stiffer cotton, fleece lining on the inner, with a very large and solid embroidery for the graphic on the back. Definitely a super cozy piece. Sizing for these are actually according to Nike sizing, not your usual Off-White sizing. So if you guys are looking to pick up any pieces from this collection, go for your usual Air Jordan or Nike apparel sizing and you should be good. Probably the most popular item in the collection, this tee features illustrations from Philip Burke, an American caricature artist. The inspiration behind this tee is actually pretty cool. It's meant to represent Jordan's ability to inspire the youth, where we can see Jordan in action and a kid dreaming of him or dreaming to be like him. My generation was pretty much like that. I was way too young to even understand the game of basketball, but I remember watching him on court and wanting to be like him just because I knew that he was the best. On the back, we've got the new Off-White logo and a graphic of the kid manifesting his dreams to be like Mike. And finally, some extra detailing on the side with the merged Off-White and Air Jordan logo. The quality on this tee is actually pretty proper, and again, sizing is more similar to your Nike or Jordan apparel, so if you're looking to pick these up, just keep that in mind. On to the last piece of this collection, the item that was the most underwhelming for me initially, but ended up being my favorite. When I first saw photos of these track pants, I thought the design process was a little lazy and I wasn't really feeling the logo placements as well. But after seeing these in real life and trying them out, I actually really like them. These are super lightweight pants that are so comfy, especially during the spring and summer seasons. Plus, these look amazing with your Jordans, especially if you have the Off-White 4s or Sail 5s. These are practically a perfect match. Even though this might be the least hyped item in the collection, I actually think these track pants will be the piece that withstands the test of time. It's a really simple, clean piece that you're able to wear from years to come without looking too tacky or over the top. After trying out all these pieces, I'm going to be calling these track pants my favorite from the collection. And now that we've got all that out of the way, let's have a look at the entire collection. And there you go guys, that was 3 ways to style the Off-White Air Jordan apparel collection. I hope you guys found this video useful and informative. As I said before, this collection did not impress me initially, but after having everything on hand, I'd say this is a pretty solid collection. If you're able to get your hands on them, I actually recommend it. If off-white clothing is one of your favorites, I'd recommend getting the hoodie as it does have the best quality. If you're looking to pick up something cheaper just to commemorate the collaboration for collection's sake, I'd recommend picking up the tee. If you're looking to pick up something more timeless, less hype and a little more low-key, the track pants are definitely your best option. But with that being said, it's gonna be it for me today guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.